guys, welcome back to my channel, How to Guides by Stacey Fowler. I'll be teaching you how to create an awesome video using a free app and using photos to create that video. I've already done a video about InShot and how to do time-lapse on videos with InShot. If you have missed that, click on the link on the screen now and check out that video. So I've already have InShot downloaded on my device. I'm just going to tap on it and open InShot. I'm going to select videos. From videos, I'm going to tap on new. Now it's going to take you to where all the videos are on your device, and you have the option for photos and all, because you can combine both video and photos to create a video. I'm going to go to photos because I really want to only use photos in this video, and I've selected some items from my website that I want to market. So I'm just going to tap on all the items I want to use. I'm selecting all of them at once. Now they have all selected. I come to the bottom here and I tap on this tick right there. Once I've done that, it automatically uploads my photos to InShot. Here they'll be played as a video. I can change the speed at which each one is shown. So for each image, I go to duration. It's now at 5 seconds. I can move the time here. So let me zoom this a bit. So I can move the time here at the bottom for it to be either moving faster or slower, right? So hopefully you can see right there. So I want it to be, say, 3 seconds. So I'm moving from 5 to 3, then I say okay, and then I come back here and I play. Now I'm satisfied with this. You can add text to your video if you want. You can add music to that. I'll be doing another tutorial on how to add text or your own music to your videos. So I'm satisfied with this. So I come to the top and I tap on save. It will tell you the type of resolution, or if you want it in frame or estimated size. I normally just select save a second time. Now, because you're using the free version of the app, ads will come up. You'll just have to wait until the ads are finished playing, then you close. Sometimes there's an X there to close. Today it just have the word close. I'm just going to tap on close. Then the video will be converting. After conversion, you select save. I normally save the video to my device, even though the options are there to share it to different social media apps. The reason I don't do that is because then it will be shared with the name InShot and doesn't really give it that a professional look. So you want your videos to have a professional look. So save it to your device. Then you can upload it to your favorite social media platform and add whatever text you want. So my video has finished converting and I'm going to select save. And that is just it. Thank you for tuning in to my channel, or if you saw this video on my blog, thank you for reading my blog. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel or to my blog. Until next time, I love you. Bye-bye.